shake a hand, shake a hand. People are talking about the friendship train. Everybody shake a hand, make a friend. Now listen to us. We're doing our thing. Got to start today to make tomorrow a brighter day for our children. Come on, people, now we can do it. I can prove it, but only if our hearts are willing. So get on board the friendship train. Everybody shake a hand now. Talking about the friendship train. Everybody shake a hand, make a friend now. Oh, what you look like me, or who you are. If your heart is in the right place, talking about the right place, you're welcome aboard now. This train stands for justice, justice. This train stands for freedom, freedom. This train stands for harmony and peace. This train stands for love, love, love. Come on, get on the friendship train. Everybody shake a hand, make a friend now. The friendship train. Everybody shake a hand, make a friend now. People listen to me now. Harmony is the key for sisters and brothers. Oh yes it is. I said harmony is the key for sisters and brothers. People, we can't wait, 'cause another day might be too late.